Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a picture, a cover photo, and a description to your new page. So open the page, we're going to add a picture, upload a photo. I'm going to pick this one. So we can increase the size or make it smaller, make sure it fits correctly. You can move it up or down, make it fit in the circle pretty good, and save. Now for the cover, we can add a photo or a video. So I'm gonna do a video this time. So I'm gonna upload a new video. Alright, so the video finished uploading. And now you can move it up and down and make sure it fits into the box. Click next. I have it set up as on a loop. You can deselect it or select it. I like it to go in a loop. You can select the thumbnails. So here it lets you go through. Facebook gives you some options on the thumbnails that you want. So I'm gonna pick this one. Looks alright. And publish. Perfect. Now we're gonna go add a description. There's a couple of places where you can add description. So you can go to the about location, scroll down, and here is already added it, so you can edit the description, or you can go here, edit page info, and here's the description again. And finally, you can go to the settings, page info, and here's the description. So there you have it. That's how you add a picture, profile picture, a cover photo or video, and a description to your new page.